Hs720 GPS drone for adults with rock-steady camera 4K photo 2-axis gimbal, Hs360 FPV quadcopter for beginners, brushless motor, 46 minutes flight time, long range, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, follow me, auto return home. 2-axis gimbal with EIS camera equipped with the electronic image stabilization and a 2-axis gimbal camera. The Hs360 is a drone with camera for adults that offers a beautiful 4K Ultra HD image, 3840x2160p stored on mobile phone, with stunning clarity and deep contrast. Its FOV 118-degree lens and 80-degree adjustable camera gives you a clear and wider view. In addition, the 5 GHz FPV transmission, 1,640 feet, can deliver an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed for each and every flight. Considerate designed foldable drone arms and included portable carrying case makes the Hs360 drone with camera the perfect choice for drone lovers, professional photographers, and travelers. Explore the world without limitation. Endless joy with 2 included batteries. The Hs720 Hs360 drone with camera can support up to 46 minutes flight time, giving you endless happiness. The brushless motors can resist level 5 wind, resulting in a quiet, stable, and powerful flying experience. Less charging, more flying. Easy to fly altitude hold, 1 key start, return to home, and emergency stop. The Hs360 drone for kids/beginners/adults is built with an air pressure altitude control system, GPS positioning, and a return to home, RTH, which keeps you from losing the drone.